pressurizing my 1974 Elan 250 twin. I've already siphoned the gas out of it, and what I couldn't get out will burn out while we get the motor hot, so the tank will be empty for summer because I don't like to store it with any gas in the system. And then I won't be checking the chain case fluid, and I won't be cleaning the clutches in this video. I check and clean all that stuff in the fall before I get it ready to go riding, so we will see that in the fall when I get it ready to go riding. So I finished fogging the motor. With the engine still running as it's running out of gas, I sprayed in past the main butterfly with my engine storage spray. And now I will pull the plugs out and I'll spray into the cylinders as well. I like to do this while the motor's still warm. This way the pores on the cylinder walls are still opened up, so when you spray it in, it will help to, as the engine cools, it will suck the spray into the pores a bit to help prevent it from rusting. So I'll just give her a good healthy shot on both cylinders, and then I'll just slowly roll it over and it will line the cylinder walls. And then I can put the spark plugs back in so they'll be ready to go in the fall again. Now I'm going to grease all the grease fittings. I'm going to start under the cowling on the front skis. This camera here so you can hopefully see. I usually give 3 to 4 shots of grease, or until a lot of grease comes out. And I'll call it good, wipe up the excess, and then I'll move to the other side. On this side, you gotta turn the ski all the way to the left, take the toolbox out, and then you're able to get to the other ski's grease fitting. And now I'll grease all the boogie wheels underneath. And then there's one other grease fitting right on the rear axle that you want to make sure you get to. There's one on each side, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Every summer I disconnect the rear springs just so there's no tension on them, so they hopefully last a little longer and stay a little springier. Then I put the air breather back on. Just slips right on. I usually do the top screw first. And then the very last thing to put back is the cover. Slips on. And then the last thing I do is just a wash and a wax, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.